Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jame. Today, we're going to practice English conversations about travel plans.
Talking about travel is exciting and useful, especially when planning trips or sharing experiences.
Yes, and it helps you communicate better when traveling abroad.
Let's get started. Part 1. Talking about your travel plans. Jame, I'm excited to talk about travel today. Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Yes, actually, I'm planning a trip to the mountains next month. I want to enjoy nature and do some hiking. What about you?
That sounds amazing. I'm going to visit my family in another city. It's been a while since I last saw them.
Family trips are always special. How do you usually plan your trips?
I start by deciding where to go and when. Then I look for places to stay and things to do. How about you?
I like to plan activities I enjoy, like hiking or visiting museums. I also check the weather and travel costs.
Do you prefer traveling in summer or winter?
I usually travel in summer because I like warm weather, but winter trips can be fun too, especially for skiing.
Have you ever traveled to a different country?
Yes, I've been to Thailand and Japan. It was a great experience to learn about new cultures.
I want to visit Japan too. The food and culture are fascinating.
Traveling is a great way to learn and relax. Do you like to travel alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends because it's more fun and safe, but sometimes I like traveling alone to relax and do my own thing. What about you?
Sometimes I travel alone to explore at my own pace, but I also enjoy group trips.
What's your favorite travel memory?
Once I went camping by a lake and watched the stars all night. It was peaceful and beautiful.
That sounds wonderful. I hope your trip goes well. Useful phrases to talk about travel plans. I'm planning to travel to. I want to visit. My trip is for. I like to plan activities like. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends? Have you ever been to? What's your favorite travel memory?
Part 2. Asking about travel details.
Jame, if I want to ask someone about their travel plans, what questions should I use?
Good question, Lisa. You can start by asking, where are you planning to go? Or when do you plan to travel?
Those are clear. How can I ask about their trip's purpose?
You can say, is it for work or vacation? Or are you traveling for business or pleasure?
And what if I want to know how long they'll stay?
You can ask, how long will you be there? Or what's the length of your trip?
What about asking about their travel companions?
You might say, are you traveling alone or with others? Or who are you traveling with?
Good. How can I ask if they've been to that place before?
You can ask, have you been there before? Or is this your first time visiting?
What if I want to ask about their favorite part of the trip?
You can say, what are you most excited about? Or what do you want to see or do the most?
Let's practice a conversation with these questions.
Sure, go ahead.
Hi, Jame. Where are you planning to go this summer?
Hi, Lisa. I'm planning to go to the beach in California.
That sounds fun. When do you plan to travel?
I'm going in July for 2 weeks.
Is this a vacation or a work trip?
It's a vacation. I want to relax and enjoy the sun.
Are you traveling alone or with friends?
I'm going with a group of friends.
Have you been there before?
No, it'll be my first time visiting California.
What are you most excited about?
I'm excited to go surfing and explore the beaches.
Useful phrases to ask about travel details. Where are you planning to go? When do you plan to travel? Is it for work or vacation? How long will you be there? Are you traveling alone or with others? Have you been there before? What's your most exciting about?
Part 3. Talking about travel experiences and preferences.
Jame, what's your favorite place you've ever visited?
That's a tough question, Lisa, but I'd say Paris. The food, the history, and the art museums were incredible. How about you?
I really want to visit Japan someday. The culture, the food, and the beautiful landscapes look amazing.
Japan is wonderful. Have you traveled to many countries before?
Not many, but I've been to a few nearby countries. Traveling is one of my favorite hobbies.
Me too. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends because it's more fun and safe, but sometimes I like traveling alone to relax and do my own thing. What about you?
Sometimes I travel alone to explore at my own pace, but I also enjoy group trips.
What's your favorite travel memory?
Once I went camping by a lake and watched the stars all night. It was peaceful and beautiful.
That sounds wonderful. I hope your trip goes well. Useful phrases to talk about travel plans. I'm planning to travel to. I want to visit. My trip is for. I like to plan activities like. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends? Have you ever been to? What's your most exciting about?
That's the end of episode 8 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope this episode helps you talk about your travel plans and experiences.
Try practicing these phrases before your next trip.
See you next time for more everyday English conversations.
Thanks for listening.